Unveiling the Show, Understanding Dog and Pony Act. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might sound a bit quirky at first. Dog and Pony Act. It's a term you might encounter in books, movies, or even in business contexts. So, if you're curious about what it means and how you can use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, Dog and Pony Act, originally refers to a small traveling circus that was popular in the United States, which featured performances by dogs and ponies as the main attraction. These shows were simple, easy to move, and aimed to entertain small audiences in rural areas. However, the meaning has evolved over time. Today, when someone mentions a dog and pony act, they're usually not talking about an actual circus. Instead, they're referring to a situation or presentation that's overly elaborate or designed to impress and persuade people, often in a way that's considered superficial or not genuinely meaningful. It's commonly used in business and politics to describe efforts that are more about showmanship than substance. Understanding the context in which you can use this phrase is crucial. It's often employed in a slightly negative or critical way to suggest that something is more about style than about real importance or value. Here are a few examples to help you grasp how it can be used. In a business context, the presentation to the investors was just a dog and pony act. It had lots of flashy graphics but very little solid content. Regarding a political campaign, the candidate's tour of the city felt like a dog and pony act, with more focus on photo ops than on policy discussions. In everyday conversation, I thought the seminar would be informative, but it turned out to be a dog and pony act with no real insights. While it's a colorful and useful expression, it's important to use the phrase, dog and pony act, appropriately. Given its somewhat critical tone, it's best used in informal contexts or among audiences familiar with idiomatic English. Also, be mindful of the situation and the audience's feelings, as using this phrase might imply skepticism about the substance of what's being presented or discussed. There you have it, folks. You now understand what a dog and pony act is all about. It's a phrase that captures the essence of show over substance, and it's a handy addition to your English idiom repertoire. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression and how you can use it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us.